Hi there. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the out-of-stock affiliate redirect plugin for WooCommerce. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard, open Plugins, add New, and search for the out-of-stock affiliate redirect. We're a very new plugin, so we're a little farther down on the list, but still on the first page. Click Install Now, and then Activate. As you can see, this page is currently a dead end. This plugin will fix that. We will go to the product page for this item, then inventory. You will see two new boxes you can fill out. Here, you can enter any URL you want visitors to be redirected to when a product is out of stock. For example, you can paste in an Amazon product link, another product in your shop, or even a category page. You can also change the text which the button shows, but it defaults to buy on Amazon. After, we can add the URL, we can go back to our product page and see the button has been added. When clicked, you now get your Amazon affiliate or other affiliate program you are in. I hope this tutorial helped.